welcome to my channel. Come on in, where the crafts are flowing and the fun begins. We cut, we glue, we paint, we play. There's something creative every day. Come, welcome to my channel where we craft and have fun. It's a bright, happy space for everyone. We do all crafts, big and small.
Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from ANGELROSE Designs. Today, we're going to make a masterboard. Now, I'm doing like some throwback videos right now because there are some new people on here that just joined. So, what you're going to need is some cardstock, a ledger page, coffee dyed paper, painting paper, whatever you have you can use. This is what I'm using. A doily, scrapbook paper, wallpaper, mulberry paper, music paper, and some scissors, y'all. Okay? But these are the wrong ones. Here. Let's see. And you're also either going to need double-sided tape or some glue. Okay? So, let's get started. You can use, like, on my mulberry paper and my wallpaper, I will be using my scissors, but everything else I can just rip by hand. So, I'm going to start off with putting a piece of music paper down here in the corner. But let me get my other little mat here. So, I'm going to do that. Okay, we got that. And then we're going to take scrapbook paper, do the same thing. You can rip it as big as you want it or as small as you want it. It doesn't really matter. Okay, now what I'm going to do is all four corners first. And you can do yours with it whichever way you want. Okay, got those two sides already. I'll put this one aside over her. And we're going to wait for the doily. It doesn't matter how you rip your paper or you cut it or whatever. Okay. And do this one. Just spread it. Now, for my center, I'm just going to rip and cut my paper or trim my paper to the size I want it, okay? And you go until it's completely filled. It doesn't matter how big or how small you do them, as long as you do them. Okay? And when I do these, I try not to put the same one in the same area twice. So, say I have these three here and these two here. I'm going to try not to reuse these two on this area and these three on this side. I'm going to take these three, put them over here, and then these two, put them over here. That's just the way it goes. So Now I'm going to use my scissors and just roughly cut a piece of mulberry paper. Okay, and I want it right here. Now you're going to be overlapping your pieces, okay? I mean, you can put as many pieces as you want of different papers. You can put line paper. You can put all sorts of different papers if you have them. Whatever you have on hand, you can put on here, okay? So I'm going to take this and put this to the side. And let's see if we can rip the wallpaper. Oh, this one's easy. Okay. I'm going to put the scissors to the side. And just add our glue. And you see right here how it's going to cover, it's not going to cover here. I'm just going to overlap this until I cover it where there's no white area showing. You can put white area if you want. I don't know if I'm going to use this. You don't have to put white areas. That's totally up to you. So now we're going to go back again. I'm going to start with this one here. We're going to put that over here. Okay. I'm going to take that, I'm going to overlap it right here. Okay. Now, I want my music paper. Okay. I'm going to put that right here. Now, I have to go again. I have to start all over with what I have. Now, I have these three here. I can take these three and put them continue. I just don't want them overlapping each other. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one. Okay, I'm going to put that one down here. Put our glue and just put it, we can put it this way. Okay. And then we have this piece. Okay. We're going to just keep going. As long as, say, like this piece is not overlapping the same piece. Okay. You can keep going. And we keep going. And I'm trying not to overlap any of the same pages, okay? My next one will be my coffee dye. I'm going to put that right up here. Okay, now I can take this one and put it over here. And see if I have an extra piece already ripped. As long as they're not overlapping the same one, you can do it. But after this piece, I want to add a little bit of a design in here. Okay. I'm going to put this, well, this will be too close to this one, so I'm not going to put that one on just yet. I'm going to take my heart here. I'm going to take part of the heart. I'm going to glue that right here. Oh, I like that. You still going to have some white area showing through, but that's all right. Okay. I'm going to put this piece right over here. Okay, now we can take some coffee dye and put it here. And it'll depend on the, do this, okay? And then we can take painting paper. Nope, painting paper is right here. I don't want it too close together. So we're going to take some of this. Okay? I know I have a piece. Let me put the bigger pieces on one side and then the smaller pieces on the other. That way I can see what I have for small pieces and what I have for big pieces. Okay. I'm going to do this. I'm going to put this right in here. That. Okay. Now, we have this one. I don't want to put that. We have this one. Don't want to put that. If I put, let's get music paper. Okay. Okay, and put that right here. Now, I could take another piece of the heart doily right here. Okay. I'm going to put that right on here. Okay. And then I can take a piece of this paper and put it right on here. Okay. And we're going to put that as close as we can without leaving. This is going, I need it to cover complete. Okay, we got that. Now, I can't put this one, this one, this one, or the doily on this area. So, I cannot put this in this area. So, the only thing we have is either this one or this one. We're going to go with the painted paper. I'm going to put a piece right here. And over here, we're going to do the wallpaper. And then that'll be our okay. And then we're going to need a small piece here of wallpaper to put in there. Do I have an extra piece of wallpaper already ripped? No, I do not. So we're going to take a small piece and we're going to cover that. Okay. We're going to put that right in here. And we have our piece done. Our masterboard is finished, y'all. Now, once it's dry, I know it looks like they have a white piece here. No, that's part of the painting paper. Okay? You can cover it if you want, but I like it like that. So, when you're done and it's dry, okay, you go through and cut all the overhang out. Now, what you can do with this, you can make tags, you can make journaling cards, you can make, I don't know, maybe a journaling page. It depends on what you want to make with it. you can make whatever you want once it's completely dry. Okay? Now I know it looks right here like there's a free spot, but there's something in there somewhere. So I'm going to let this completely dry, and then I'm going to cut all my edges, and then I'm going to make something to put in a journal. So like I said, you can make a belly band, you can make a tag, you can make a pocket, you can make a journaling card. See, belly band, tag, journaling card, pocket. You can, it's endless what you can do, okay? So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be positive. Remember, you are enough. And if I can do it, so can you. So go make something pretty today. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching, it's great to see you. You are greatly appreciated. If you haven't done it yet, please hit the subscribe button while you are at it. Hit the notification button to get notified